kids, today we will learn some amazing animals that start with the letter V, and I will also tell you some interesting facts about these animals. So let's begin. V for vulture. Vultures are nature's cleanup crew. They eat dead animals to keep the environment healthy. They have super strong stomach acid that kills dangerous germs. V for vampire bat. Vampire bats are the only bats that feed on blood, but their bite is so gentle, the animal barely feels it, thanks to tiny teeth, a tiny cut, and a special spit that numbs the skin like medicine. V for velvet monkey. Velvet monkeys are social medium-sized primates with greenish-gray fur and black faces, hands, and feet. They live in groups called troops and are known for their complex communication system, including distinct alarm calls to warn of different predators like leopards, snakes, or eagles. V for vole. Voles are tiny furry animals that dig tunnels underground and love to munch on plants. Voles are super fast breeders. A mama vole can have babies every few weeks, and each time she can have up to 10 little ones. V for viper. Vipers are among the most dangerous snakes. They are venomous, and their venom often causes severe bleeding, tissue damage, and kidney failure. However, vipers do not always inject venom. Sometimes dry bites occur. Hope you kids enjoyed the video and learned some animals that start with the letter V. And if you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe our channel. And see you in the next video. Bye!